All right, Michael again. Now we're going to do a quick video on how to open and close your register and some other cash management functions. So first, get signed in. This is the first time you're opening the app for the day. It's going to ask you to open the register. One thing we do here to make this really simple for you is we let you enter in your count for each denomination, and in the top corner you can see it does the math for you. So if you got 10 ones and 5 fives, 3 10s, 2 20s, 100, does the math all for you, makes it nice and simple. If you have hardware connected, you can tap this pop drawer button and it'll open the drawer for you as well. That way, if you have money already in the drawer, that's the quick access to it. So I'm gonna hit open register. Now, let's say I've done a few sales through the day and I've got a lot of cash in the drawer and I need to get it out of there, right? Quickest way is drop cash. Says I have 200 in the drawer and we're gonna drop $100. And we always recommend add a reason. Too much cash, done, confirm, yes, success. Now, if I come over to the add section, now you can see my money has gone down by $100. And at the end of the day, when we're ready to close the register, it's just like opening it, except now you can see your counted cash up here in the top corner. So we expected to have 107. I'm gonna do this the quick, cheap way to get here. And then boom, there you go. Close register, all is well with the world. But let's say I opened the register and I didn't count any cash. We're actually gonna throw a little warning. Hey, are you sure you wanna do this? And I'm gonna add a little bit of money there. We're gonna close it again. And same thing. If I try to close the drawer without counting it, it gives you a little warning. Hey, are you sure you want to do this? You really should count your drawer at the end of the day. But if you don't want to, we're not going to stop you. So that's a quick and easy way to manage your register. Thanks for watching.